as paradise. The view is mighty nice. I got no blues to sing, choose to sing a melody for two. Happy ending is near, long as I'm here with you.
How I intended this evening to end.
You sure about that?
What's that supposed to mean?
When you want to see a show, you're an extra for a night. Is this how you get your fish eggs?
I said I'd ask Muzzy to front us the dough.
She's busy, and it's not like we can pay her back. It'll be macaroni in my room until my next paycheck. And you? Never mind.
What? Go on. Hey, you missed the spot. Where's the soy sauce?
I'll stick with vinegar. My grandmother swears it'll clean anything. Granny dear, mother mine, not for the life of
It's a hot day.
This was a mistake. We're not right for each other.
I'd be sell out short, and baby, I'm crushed.
Bye-bye to lonely nights, when the two of us can do. Skies are sunny and clear, long as I'm here with you. Who cares if there's no moon, or that the Yankees moon can pay my income tax? But in spite of the fact, no one could ask for more. Kid in a candy store, the check line has been hit. I'm living proof of it. And as for all that's past, all that past, I found a heart that's true. What a red letter year, long as I'm here with you. And you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and yeah, you too. So happy, dear, long as I'm here with, long as I'm here with you.